Hello everyone and welcome to this video.
You're the data analyst at ShopSphere, a fast-growing e-commerce company. The marketing team is about to launch 500 brand new products, and they're counting on you to help boost their search rankings and sales. You've just received a CSV file packed with basic product details. Your mission? Automate the creation of engaging SEO-friendly product descriptions using AI. So let's go ahead and see how you can make this happen. So I am going to go ahead and bring in some powerful tools for you. Pandas for handling your data and a couple of AI helpers from LangChain. These are going to make your job a whole lot easier. Now let's go ahead and load your product's data from that CSV file. I am going to create a variable called products to hold everything so you can work with it easily. To get a quick peek at what you're working with, I am going to use head to show the first few rows of your products. This is super handy for checking that your data loaded correctly. So let me explain the data you will be working with. Each product in your CSV comes with a list of features and its category. These details are key because they'll help you generate descriptions that are accurate and really highlight what makes each product special. By using this info, your AI-generated descriptions will be both relevant and appealing to potential customers. Let me tell you about the next step. You're going to set up LangChain with OpenAI, which gives you the power to build a product description generator. This setup will help you automate writing persuasive, SEO-optimized descriptions for every product in your list. It's a great way to save time and keep your listings consistent. First up, you're setting up your AI model. This line creates a chatbot with a bit of creativity using the GPT 4.1 mini model. Now you're building a prompt template. Think of it like a fill-in-the-blank for your product details, so the AI knows exactly what to write about. Here, you're telling Python which pieces of info to plug into your template, like the product name, its features, and the category. Finally, you're chaining it all together, so when you give it your product info, the AI instantly writes a great description for you. Now you're ready to generate those SEO-optimized descriptions. You'll use your AI-powered chain to create a unique, engaging description for each product entry. This way, every product gets a high-quality description that highlights its features and appeals to both search engines and customers. It's a smart way to scale up your content creation without losing quality. First up, you're making a function that takes a row of product info, sends it to your AI chain, and gets back a cool product description. Now, you're using that function to generate a fresh description for every product in your list. Finally, take a peek at the first few product names and their brand new descriptions. Please take a moment to like this video, as it is going to be a great help, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Finally, it's time to make sure all your hard work is saved. You'll export the updated product list, now complete with the new AI-generated descriptions, to a CSV file. This way, the marketing team can easily upload the enhanced product data to the website and get ready for the big launch. So let's go ahead and save your product's data frame to a CSV file. This makes it easy to open up later in Excel or Google Sheets. You've just automated a key part of the e-commerce workflow using Python and AI. Think about what other features you could add to make this process even more powerful. Maybe bulk translation or even A/B testing different description styles. Have you tried using LangChain for your own e-commerce automations? I'd love to hear your ideas and questions, so feel free to share them in the comments.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and see you next time.